This train is bound for North Jared Station. May I get a redirect to the proper track, please? The next station is College Park. La siguiente estación is College Park. Exit here for Federal Aviation Administration offices, Woodward Academy, Fair Lakes Marina. This is your connecting point to the BIOS Cosmos Church Department of Education. This train is bound for North Jared Station. Yes. Southbound train, North Jared, southbound train, North Jared train, North Jared train, North Jared train. Board the train, doors are closing, North Jared train. This is your southbound train to North Jared Station. Skip correction. Northbound train to North Jared Station. Please do not hold the doors. Next station will be Hueyville. Doors will open on the right direction of travel. Hueyville Station, next station. The next station is Evansville. La siguiente estación is Evansville. Exit here for Fair Lake Aquarium and connecting bus service to Evans Mill Mall. Embarked, we want everyone to enjoy the ride. Learn more about our code of conduct at itsbot.com. Brainbot, Brain Músico Yake Viaje, a continuación ancestor de pregunta at itsbot.com. Please remember that it's against the law to eat on buses and trains, drink on buses and trains, unless the resealable plastic container, smoke or use sound devices without earphones while riding bars. Por favor, cueve que escanear, conmena buses y trenes. Bárbara y buses y trenes, al deseo absolutos en vacío plástico reciable. Fumar or paras elevanos mientras viaje barco. The next station is Hueyville. La siguiente estación is Hueyville. Exit here for Minecraft Baptist Church. Embark. We want everyone to enjoy the ride. Learn more about our code of conduct at itsbot.com. Due to continuous track power, we will not be stopping northbound at Hueyville. The next station is North Jared. This is the end of the line. The train will offload at North Jared Station. Doors will open on the left direction of travel. The next station is North Jared. This is the end of the line. La siguiente estación is North Jared. Aquí coña línea. Exit here for chasing people for food when they don't share with you. In BART, we want everyone to enjoy the ride. Learn more about our code of conduct at eatsbart.com. North Jared Station. North Jared Station. This is the end of the line. North Jared Station.